Imagine a world where only one species has mastered an extraordinary hunting technique, leaving all others in the dust. That's exactly what researchers have uncovered about humpback whales, and it's sparking both awe and debate among marine biologists. A groundbreaking study led by a recent graduate from the University of Hawaiʻi at Mānoa reveals that humpback whales are uniquely equipped to perform bubble net feeding, a complex behavior that no other baleen whale species can replicate with the same efficiency. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this discovery reshape how we view the evolutionary advantages of certain physical traits in marine mammals? The research, spearheaded by Cameron Nemeth, who recently earned his bachelor's degree in marine biology, delves into the biomechanics behind this iconic feeding strategy. Bubble net feeding involves whales releasing bubbles in a circular pattern to trap prey like fish or krill, creating a concentrated net they can then consume. What makes humpbacks stand out is their ability to execute high-performance turns during this process, something that other baleen whales simply can't match. Using advanced tools such as drones and non-invasive suction cup tags, Nemeth and his team analyzed thousands of turns performed by various whale species across different behavioral states. Their findings? None of the other species studied came close to matching the turning precision required for bubble net feeding. So, why are humpbacks so special? The secret lies in their massive pectoral flippers, which play a crucial role in enhancing maneuverability. These flippers generate nearly half the force needed for sharp turns, making the entire process remarkably energy efficient. While other whales might theoretically be able to mimic these movements, they would burn far too much energy in the process, rendering the technique impractical for them. This gives humpbacks a significant advantage when hunting smaller or more dispersed groups of prey, allowing them to maximize their caloric intake. This is a shining example of how collaborative science can tackle big questions, said Lars Bader, a research professor at the Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology, HIMB, and co-author of the study. The project brought together data from 28 research organizations spanning 6 countries, highlighting the importance of international cooperation in advancing our understanding of marine life. For Hawaii, this research holds particular significance because humpback whales rely heavily on the energy reserves they build up during their feeding seasons in places like Alaska, before migrating to Hawaiian waters where they fast. Understanding the mechanics of their feeding strategies provides critical insights into their health and survival needs. But this study isn't just about science, it's also about culture. In a bold step toward increasing accessibility, Nemeth worked closely with the journal to include a Hawaiian language abstract for the paper. He translated the text himself and collaborated with a Hawaiian language professor to refine it, setting a precedent for future publications. It's a move that underscores the value of integrating indigenous languages into scientific discourse, opening doors for broader engagement and education. As Nemeth transitions to a PhD program in fall 2026, he'll continue leading the lab's ongoing humpback whale research in Maui. His work builds on years of effort supported by organizations like Mānoa, the Omidyar Ohana Foundation, and the Lindblad Expedition National Geographic Fund, as well as equipment provided through a Defense University Research Instrumentation Award. This raises some thought-provoking questions. Should we consider humpback whales' unique abilities as evidence of evolutionary superiority? Or is it simply a fascinating adaptation to their environment? And if other species struggle to adopt similar techniques, what does that tell us about the balance between physical capability and ecological niche? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think humpbacks' bubble net feeding is a marvel of nature? Or do you see potential drawbacks to their reliance on this method? Let's dive deeper into the conversation.